In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Shopify domain error. If you're experiencing issues with your Shopify domain, don't worry, it's a common issue that can be resolved with a few simple steps. Let's dive in and make sure your online store is running smoothly. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. This is the control center for your store, where you can access all the necessary tools to manage its operations. Once you're logged in, head over to your online store section. You'll find this on the left side of your screen, conveniently marked for easy navigation. Within your online store settings, you'll find a subsection specifically labeled as Domains. This is where you'll manage your website's domain settings. Click on Domains, and you'll be taken to a page that provides an overview of your current domain setup. Here, you'll be able to recognize if there is indeed an error with the domain. One of the most common issues is that the domain isn't properly connected, or it might be directing visitors to an unexpected page. To fix this, you'll first want to verify your primary domain settings. The primary domain is basically the URL that customers see and use to access your store. Make sure that the domain you want as the primary is marked and set correctly. Next, it's essential to review your DNS settings. DNS, which stands for Domain Name System, essentially acts as the Internet's phone book, linking domain names to IP addresses. If the DNS settings aren't configured correctly, your domain won't work as expected. Check the details against the ones provided by Shopify to ensure everything is in line. Make sure that your domain points to the Shopify IP address, which you can find in the Shopify documentation or your setup instructions. Once you have verified and corrected the DNS settings, it's time to visit the domain registrar. This is the place where you purchased your domain name, like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Log into your account, locate your domain, and check if everything matches the settings in your Shopify account. After confirming all steps are properly addressed, head back to Shopify and hit the Verify Connection button in your domain settings. This prompts Shopify to start checking whether all the changes you made have resolved the error. It's important to be patient here, as DNS changes can sometimes take up to 48 hours to propagate fully across the internet. Once verified, your domain should no longer show errors, and visitors should be directed correctly to your store. To wrap it all up, addressing and fixing domain errors comes down to checking a few key settings and making sure everything is configured properly. Remember, if at any point you find yourself stuck, Shopify's support team is just a click away. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Shopify store is back on track in no time.